This is all about China's fastest high-speed bullet trains. Hi, good day to everyone. Richard Aguilar here.
And once again, Arthur here. And we are back again with another amazing video.
So before we begin, be sure to subscribe and push the bell icon so that you will always be updated with our new videos.
China innovation can also be seen on how fast they develop when it comes to high-speed trains and high-speed networks of railways. As you can see, China now continues to advance and develop their high-speed trains and railway networks. And today, you will see 9 of China's fastest high-speed bullet trains.
So without further delay, alright, here we go with our number 1.
Number 1 is the unmanned high-speed trains. Do you know that China has been trying new things in the earth as well as in the universe when it comes to technology innovation and advancement? Now at this time, they dare to try to take a high-speed train with no driver. They are trying to make driverless high-speed trains possible. Watch. Number 2 is the new high-speed train with interchangeable carriages. China's first high-speed train with interchangeable carriages has rolled off the assembly line and passed dozens of tests in Tangshan. Number 3 is the new CRH6 commuter high-speed trains. China's first CRH6 commuter high-speed trains roll off assembly line. The new generation bullet trains are capable of speeds up to 250 kph and are mainly used on express commuter services.
Number 4 is another new high-speed trains from China. Three new models of high-speed trains independently developed in China made their debut in Beijing. The new Fuxing models measure 440 meters in total length with a design speed of up to 350 km per hour. They were on display at an exhibition in the China National Railway Test Center.
Number 5 is Chinese-made bullet trains for Sri Lanka. Bullet trains made by CRRC Sifang for Sri Lanka roll off the assembly line in Qingdao, China.
Number 6 is longest bullet train in China. China introduced its longest ever Fuxing high-speed train at Beijing-Shanghai rail line. With a specified speed of 350 km per hour, the new Fuxing bullet train has 17 carriages, increasing the length from 414 meters to 440 meters. The train has a seating capacity of 1,283 people and can be fit into the existing stations, platforms, and other high-speed railway facilities. Number 7 is the superfast high-speed Maglev train prototype. China has unveiled the prototype of a high-speed maglev train which could be capable of speeds of up to 600 km per hour. A Chinese official said, "We are now focusing on how to link TV signals to trains so that passengers will be able to enjoy films on window-turned screens." Number 8 is China's first intercity trains. China's first intercity trains using high-speed rail officially opened in South China's Haikou City, Hainan Province. The suburban trains also form the first rapid urban rail transit route in Hainan Province. Number 9 is China's bullet train with a speed of 350 kph. World's fastest high-speed train in service, China restores maximum speed of its bullet trains to 350 km per hour on a high-speed railway linking Beijing with Shanghai. And that concludes this video about China's fastest high-speed bullet trains.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this with others.
Once again, this is Richard Aguilar.
And I'm Arthur.
Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day!